go. Yeah. Hold up. Huh? Yeah.
Lucid, this be crazy.
That's what it say though when it called Pillow. Oh, hold up. Yeah. Hold up. No cap pet. Hold on. Technical, no, I just fucked that up though. But you know I'm finna add that flavor. Bite to the intro. Bites. Yeah. They got. Hold up. Mac baby, no, I'm gon' say 3584. Oh, hold up. Yeah. Still listen to the high note intro. No damn well that flavor finna come on this beat though. Bite to the bites. Yeah. They got. Still thinking in my mind though, you know how them shits go when it's called Pillow. No damn well ain't no fucking rapper, no. That flow, what I call it though? Yeah, I know. Soprano. Hold on. Now you know damn where you finna get the bass though. Bites. Yeah. Bite to the high note. 3584 Country Bowl, Day City, Florida. Bites. Yeah. Hold up. Still thinking in my mind. Know it might be a round 2 on this rip though. That might be that next rip though.